started. So we have a pretty empty fire pit here. And we're gonna make kind of like Lincoln logs. Stack 2 on either side. Usually do the bigger ones on the bottom. And then stack them this way. Then we're gonna keep going. And you just wanna leave a nice hole in the middle, which is where we're gonna be putting our paper. You're gonna ball up your paper, fill the middle. You can even get a little bit more wood going sideways here. There we go. As long as you can get access to the paper in the middle, you're good. And then you want to have some kindling nearby. Little pieces. A little bit more paper in there. And then we're just going to light it. This way you don't have like a lot of the problems of the teepee kind of falling over on you, which happened an awful lot. Kindling's going to keep it going on the top, and this creates sort of a kind of the same chimney effect as the teepee. I don't know what the strange physics are that make this work so well, but it works really well. Alright, so once we got the fire going, then we can kind of like put some little pieces of wood kind of around here. Just sort of gently like lay them in there. Keep that going. Sometimes I'll blow on it a little bit to really get that fire going. You guys, that's it. It's like a raging inferno. For more of my videos, check out my channel to the left here. And subscribe, like, do all those things. See you next time.